Britain has a new weapon in its arsenal, one that it hopes will help control the mutant Wuhan virus, the Astrazeneca-Oxford vaccine. British regulators have approved the homegrown jab. Millions of doses are all set to be shipped, but other countries do not seem to be in such a rush. India, for example, has sought more data from the makers of this vaccine. The United States is suspicious of the trial results. So why has Britain expedited the approval process? Our next report tells you.
It's been a strange holiday season for Britain. A Christmas under lockdown, a rampaging Wuhan virus mutant, and some intermittent joy with the Brexit deal. Ahead of New Year's Eve, that streak continued.
This is really fantastic news this morning that the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine has been authorised for use by the regulator. They've been looking very carefully at all of the information that's come out of the trials, and they've approved it for use, which means that we can accelerate the vaccine rollout.
Britain is the first country to approve AstraZeneca's vaccine. 100 million doses are being produced. Inoculation is set to begin on January 4th, but the US and the EU are not expected to follow. There is still some confusion about the perfect dosage. But with cases rising by the thousands, the Brits are willing to take a chance.
Yeah, I'll be taking it, and I think it should do, but I know there's a lot of people who won't be, and a lot of people I speak to don't seem to be interested.
The UK is vaccinating its people at record pace. The target is to cover 2 million people per week. AstraZeneca's approval is also good news for India. The jab is being manufactured by the Serum Institute based out of Pune. 50 million doses are ready to ship. All that's left is regulatory approval. An expert team of India's drug authority met on Wednesday, and indications are a green light is not far off. AstraZeneca promises to be a game changer. For starters, one dose is being sold for $4, much lower than the Pfizer jab at $20 and Moderna at $37. Storing it is also easier. The Pfizer and Moderna jabs have to be super cooled. They need temperatures of -70 degrees Celsius. For AstraZeneca, a normal refrigerator would do. But can it beat the mutant Wuhan virus? That's the big question because the UK variant is spreading worldwide. The US confirmed its first case, a man in his 20s with no travel history to Britain. So did Chile, a woman who travelled to Britain earlier this month. In India, the mutant caseload has risen to more than 20. Contact tracing is key to controlling it, but not everyone is cooperating. Like this traveller who arrived in India on December 21st. At the Delhi airport, she tested positive for the Wuhan virus. Authorities asked her to quarantine for 7 days. But as soon as she got the outpatient card, she fled more than 1,000 kilometers away to a city in Andhra Pradesh. Thankfully, authorities had gotten wind of the plan. They were waiting for her at the railway station. Both the patient and her son are now in isolation wards. In the eagerness to put 2020 behind them, people are playing fast and loose with virus control measures. But the final hurdle is in sight. Now is not the time to let up. Bureau Report, WION World is One.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.